So I just got this in the mail and I'm pretty excited. I'm gonna put it in my crepe myrtle tree. It is a little like fairy lights and they come with all these different modes. So I'm super excited about this. I'm gonna go put them in the tree and then I'll have to show you how well I like them or how they did, but I got them off Amazon. So we'll see how these work out. Alright, so we're also today, after the bird feeder going on the front window, going to do, I bought these little twinkle lights. They're pretty bright, my next door neighbor has them, but on the tree and trying to go up this crepe myrtle. So anyway, we tried the other day, as in me, I tried twice and got mad because I dropped the whole roll and it went in on each other. So that's why then it took us, gosh, I don't want to exaggerate, but at least 30 minutes. I know it had to be longer.
Like an hour.
Like an hour. He was the one that was patient to detangle all of this. And so we detangled it. It took two of us. And then he wrapped it around this wood. And then he's sweet and trying to figure out how to do it. I couldn't figure out with one roll how to go around this tree. Plus, after the detangling, I was frustrated. So I think he's got all this going. So I was just going to show you this. And then if I can get a good video of it tonight, I'll show you what it looks like lit up. Tape again.
Sorry.
You're so funny. So you almost let it come off the end again?
Sure did.
I'm telling you.
I would have not been happy.
No, not after how we fought it the other day. Yeah, I don't care how high it goes up in the tree.
Clock is ticking, can't slow down. Feet are moving on the ground. Heartbeat sings with every beat. Dancing shoes fall at my feet. Sunrise till the night is through. Spinning under skies of blue. Time won't wait for anyone. Dance like morning's just begun. Dancing through time, we let it go. Feel the rhythm start to flow. In the moment we're so free. Dancing through eternity. Moonlight shines upon our face. In this wild and endless space. Twirl around the stars so bright. Lost in music.
Beautiful. Have you got something to attach it to back there?
I do.
You're so funny.
Just like that.
Alright, hopefully we'll leave the sun out, or it'll be out long enough today that we can charge them. Will you show on the back of that the on-off switch? There's an on-off and a mode switch. So just to show that, and then it comes with a little stake. Perfect. Alright, so we'll see how wonderful this turns out.
Let's go with it.
So the last time, one of my last videos, I showed that I went to the bird bath and then stopped. So I was just going to show you, I've got lots of weeds in here. This here, though, is a Sweet William that I have sown from seed. I have 2 or 3 dahlias, that's what the dead stems are from. And then I have lots of weeds. I'll show you some of these. These right under the bird bath here, and that little section is called cleaver. And if I needed some for my apothecary, I would do it, but I do not. So I'm going to pull all this up and get rid of this. We have some fake, I think it's called false strawberry, but it is not a true strawberry. Then over here I have, and I don't know if the small stage, I do when it gets bigger, if this right here is purple dead nettle or henbit. I think this one's purple dead nettle on there. And then this here, just to kind of learn some of these, what we call weeds, but I love in herbalism, that is bitter crest, and I have plenty of it too. So I'm just going to show you, I've got tons of weeds here. I'm going to go ahead and get all this bed done. Back here in the back, the stems are my peony bush, and it is huge. And then I have some irises there. And so I'm just going to work on this bed.
Clock is ticking, can't slow down. Feet are moving on the ground. Heartbeat sings with every beat. Dancing shoes fall at my feet. Sunrise till the night is through. Spinning under skies of blue. Time won't wait for anyone. Dance like morning's just begun. Dancing through time, we let it go. Feel the rhythm start to flow. In the moment, we're so free. Dancing through eternity. Moonlight shines upon our face. In this wild and endless space. Twirl around the stars so bright. Lost in music and the night. Hands up high, we touch the sky. Never asking reasons why. Every beat takes us higher. Fuel the fire with desire. Dancing through time, we let it go. Feel the rhythm start to flow. In the moment, we're so free.
I was cleaning up some of this. I saw I've actually got points. I don't know if you can see the little points here and here. And even in here, I'm trying not to uncover them too much. Even in there, of the points of my peony bush. So I'm happy to get some mulch on it to help protect that some.
Clock is ticking, can't slow down. Feet are moving on the ground. Heartbeat sings with every beat. Dancing shoes fall at my feet. Sunrise till the night is through. Spinning under skies of blue. Time won't wait for anyone. Dance like morning's just begun. Dancing through time, we let it go. Feel the rhythm start to flow. In the moment, we're so free. Dancing through eternity. Moonlight shines upon our face. In this wild and endless space. Twirl around the stars so bright. Lost in music and the night.
So we finished doing this. Mike came and helped me. He doesn't love the weeding part, but he helped me with the mulching. And look how much better it looks. It looks wonderful. It helped protect the peonies in the back, the irises in the back, the sweet William here in the front, and the mondo grass. It's something I can't get rid of at the base of this crepe myrtle. It's yeah, it's a bit much. But when you pull back and look at the whole thing, you can see the difference. But it'll fade in time. I mulched the other late this fall, and then here we are with this now. So anyway, I always love it when it's fresh mulch. So there's our after on that section, and then I just have the end of the house to do on each side of the unit.